Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 94 of building the Ecto-1. In this issue, we'll be finishing the passenger door. So we've got the interior window mechanism and everything to fit, as well as the what do they call it, the door furniture. So yeah, let's get straight to it. We've got the first things first, 3 different things to fit on there. It doesn't say to do them all at once, but I shall start with that, which has got a KM screw. So I've got to go through and find all the right screws for this. DM dot EP HP IP. It's going to be the last one, and you've got 2 little sticky things to put on the inside of the window as well. Yep, it's the last one. KM. Here we go. So one of those. If I can get one of these out. You want one out, you can stay back in there, mister. Okay, I'll get both of them out because one of them just dropped. I can find that later. Not that I hope I'll never need it, but you never know. So that is that. This is the window opening part that we need to fit onto there. It goes on there. Goes in there. On the other side of that goes the post, which locks in place in one way only. So we'll get that on there like so, enabling us to work the window when we want to. Then we've got the other 2, which use different screws, obviously, to put all of that together. That one goes there, and that one goes over the top of it there. I'll tell you what, I shall get all of these installed with all the screws behind the scenes and put those on there as well, because you don't need to watch me doing all that. You've seen it before on the other door. So I shall see you when we're ready to get it all closer together. Right, there we go. That's all of that snapped together and put on there. So all good stuff. Then we need the window piece to go on there. So the window has to go that way round. It's got to be that shape. So that's on the inside there. So that's that way. So that goes on the front from this side and is held in place on that side. We've got another one of these UP screws with the washer built into it. We'll hold that in place. Little slidey rack that all of these windows seem to use. That goes on there, and that goes that way round, and the 2 of those go over the top of that long bracket, and the 2 screws there hold that together. Get those in. Lined up properly, and then get them together. It's the easy way of doing it rather than trying to not get them lined up. One there, that one, that side. Make sure they are where they should be, and then get them tightened up. One and that one. Good stuff. That will now work for the window. Then we need to get that fitted to the inside of here. It needs to sort of slide in from the underside, get it behind bits. A bit like that. Then we've got 4 screws to put in there, which I need to sort out the right ones for it. So let's sort all that out, get it together, and show you the finished door. So there we go, all assembled, all together. I remember to put the 2 sticky pads on the inside of the door thing. So there we've got that, and the window obviously works. Actually, it works better than any of the other windows I've done. So I don't know why that one's any different, but there we go, there's that. And we've got the little water light thing that moves and opens at least a bit. So yeah, there we go. That's that. That is another pack done. I shall put it aside for now, and next time we'll probably be fitting this door, and we'll be starting the next door behind it. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon for more of other part works, or this one very soon. Bye bye for now.